Bitcoin technical analysis, calm before the storm. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. Bitcoin has been in this tightening consolidation for a while, and it could be about to be making a big move. So in this video, guys, I'll be sharing with you my technical analysis and price prediction from higher time frame to shorter time frame to a strategy that you can use to exactly get into Bitcoin. I'll also be sharing with you exactly how I'm trading it, not just you can buy it here, it can go up, it can go down. I'll share with you exactly how I'm trading it as well, to give you some clarity. Not like every other video, it can go down or it can go up. I'll share with you what my thoughts are on it, and I'll share with you the strategies I will be looking for. So let's get a clear chart. If we look at the weekly, guys, Bitcoin has been in this very tight consolidation, and after these tight consolidations we usually see a big break. We've seen tight consolidations, big breakdown, consolidation, big breakdown, consolidation. So this consolidation has been going on for a while. If we see previous consolidations, guys, we have not really seen this much consolidation. So I think the break in Bitcoin could be violent, and we have to be in the right trading environment so we get on the right side of the market. So that's the first thing that I'm looking at. If you look at the chart, if Bitcoin breaks out above 10.5k, I am bullish. So let me make that clear. So maybe write this down, draw it on your chart. If you use my strategies, again, I highly recommend you subscribe to my channel, guys. I make lots of videos. I make Bitcoin videos once a week. I make altcoins videos that are going up. Some of the coins we've traded really well. Check out the top 5 videos of this top 5 coins to buy. They have worked out really well. So that's the first thing that you can write down. I've said this for a while. You have to be patient for these big moves. Looking at this, guys, I'm really watching this level. Luckily, Bitcoin has had a move up. I'm not convinced just yet. If Bitcoin starts showing consolidation above 9.5k, it's 9.6k, I think Bitcoin will be pushing higher. But on a daily, it's still in a very tight consolidation. You can be scalping Bitcoin, but it's very difficult. You have to be in and out quick. From swing trading point of view, not much is clear to me. So how am I trading Bitcoin? For me, guys, I've got a short bias in Bitcoin, and I did short Bitcoin, if you guys remember, around here, and that was, I'm still in that position. I like to use Bitcoin as a hedge because I hodl Bitcoin as a long-term strategy. I own Bitcoin outside of exchanges, so I really want to catch a Bitcoin down move. I shorted Bitcoin here. I made a video about it, and that was a really, well, probably one of the best trades. I'm not saying it will happen again. I'm happy to risk some to see if it breaks out. If Bitcoin starts breaking out above 9,600 levels, so if you're trading in the shorter time frame, so one of the plans we had yesterday, you can see, was a break above 9.4k for scalp trades, and look at how it played out. Break above 9.4k. I'll go into the shorter time frames as well to share with you the scalping trade. So if Bitcoin is not broken out, you can still trade Bitcoin breaking in and out in the shorter time frame. And make sure you have a strategy, guys. You can use my strategy. I'll leave the links below if you're interested, but make sure you have a strategy. Something could be a long-term strategy like myself. I do hodl some Bitcoin that I don't plan to sell. I love Bitcoin, I love cryptocurrency, and I do think I'm not, bullish overtly on altcoins long-term. I don't know which altcoin's gonna, what prices altcoin's gonna be in the future, but Bitcoin I am invested in heavily, and I do think Bitcoin have a strong future. So that could be a strategy. Or if you're interested in our strategy, I'll leave the links below. There's an offer for the yearly as well. If you're interested, you get a strategy series video for a month, and you can check us out if you're interested. So Bitcoin is now at resistance. Shall I buy now? No. So on a higher time frame, on an hourly time frame, the strategy that I'm looking for is an hourly or 4-hourly close here. If we get that, I will look to buy pullback. So that is the strategy I'm looking for. For me to have this, if you're bullish on Bitcoin, another level that you can look to buy is look to buy a pullback. So the way I will be looking to do it is, for Bitcoin to stay bullish, Bitcoin needs to hold a pullback, so it needs to have a higher low. So I use a simple trend trading strategy, not any fancy indicators. It's just price. I use Fibonacci, moving averages, and RSI to help me, but it's mainly just trend higher high, higher lows, higher high. So I will be looking for Bitcoin to hold this level. If Bitcoin can't hold this and it breaks below here, guys, that will be very, very bearish, and we don't want that. If we get that, you know, a big move down could be happening, and we don't want to see that. If Bitcoin breaks out above 10.5k, I'm going to buy. I'll keep you guys up to date, but that will be very, very bullish for Bitcoin. I'm exactly sharing with you how to trade it and what I'm looking for. You know, I'm sharing with you both scenarios, but I've explained to you my bias of short bias, and I've explained to you how I would look to get long. And so that would be what I look for in the shorter time frame. It really needs to hold the 9.4 to 9.3k would be a pullback you could look to buy. On the shorter time frame, you can see my strategy. I've got a free video on YouTube as well on Bitcoin scalping. If you watch that video, you'll see these pullbacks to hourly moving averages, and I try to keep people on the right side. It's easy to see these setups, but it's hard to know when to buy, when to sell, what levels to look for. So 9.4k was the big resistance that we broke out, and some people took these trades. So I know most people in my group are altcoin traders, and one of the altcoins that has had a big move up, I can share that with you so you can see, is Ontology. I'll make a video on YouTube later. So Ontology was one. I shared exactly what level I was going to buy, and you can see Ontology had a big breakout. So most people are altcoin traders. You can see Ontology had a big move up today. We're looking at Ontology. I'll make an Ontology video on YouTube as well, maybe tomorrow or the day after. So that is what I'm looking at. If Bitcoin breaks above 9.6k, has hourly, 4-hourly closes, I will look to take a trade to the $10,000 level. That's short-term trading. For longer-term trading, I need to see a break above 10,500 or a break below. So I'd say maybe 9,000, 8,800. If we break below those levels, I would be bearish. If we break above 10,500, I'll be bullish. And I've shared with you shorter time frame how I'd be looking to trading. So thank you very much for watching this video. Very quick video. Within less than 10 minutes, I'll make this video maybe once a week or a couple of times a month. Bitcoin updates. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, guys, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. I will be doing a free live stream on YouTube. I've hit 10k subscribers, so thank you very much for helping me achieve that. If you want to take your trading to the next level, you can check out our group for less than $30, and that's not 200. We've got 160. That's a special offer. You can check us out. If not, guys, thank you very much for supporting on my YouTube channel. I'll still continue to provide you the best content I can. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, comment below your thoughts on Bitcoin, and let's have a discussion. Go King Bitcoin.